Hey guys, what's up? It's me. That was such a weird intro. So today I'm going to be doing a shop with me for school supplies video. Honestly, I've been watching so many of these lately and I was like, I kind of want to do one, so I'm going to do one because I kind of want to go out and just get some like basic school supplies. I'm honestly not going to get anything like extremely exciting because this is my last year of school, so this is my last time like school supply shopping, which is honestly insane. Yeah, I'm gonna head over I think to Target and see if I can find like a basic notebook and pens and like a folder and just like stuff like that for the school year because I love school supply shopping and they already have like all of their stuff out, which is so exciting. So I didn't really want to go by myself, so I asked some of my friends if they wanted to come. So I think there's like, I don't know how many of my friends are coming. 2 or 3 of them are probably gonna end up coming. I'm kind of in a bun, headband, shirt. It's kind of how I'm rolling. Anyways, I think I'm gonna head to Target. Might stop by Dunkin' Donuts. We shall see. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm in the car now and this lighting's really funny, but I'm in the car now and I am heading to get my friends. So all 3 of them are coming. But right now I'm gonna get Dunkin' Donuts because I just took a 1-hour nap and I really need a coffee. So yeah, so I'm gonna go grab a coffee before we go because I don't know if I'm gonna make it through Target without a coffee. That's a little concerning. All right, so I picked up my 2 iced coffees and he forgot to give me a second straw, so that's an issue. But the iced coffees right now are 2 for $4, so I just got 2 and hopefully one of my friends will drink them. Alrighty, so we picked up the first friend. We did get a straw. I was telling them before that we didn't have a straw for the Dunkin' Donuts, but
look how cute.
We're good.
Yeah, everything's cute here.
Hey.
Hi. Welcome.
Oh, hello. So we picked up the last friend.
Hi everyone. It might be chopping your heads off. You can't even see me.
Oh, you're on the slide.
Oh, you're getting the Target. Hey guys, welcome back. Did you see that I fixed it?
I know, it's gone forever now.
The other day, I used my free drink at Dunkin' to get an large, whatever, caramel latte, and they forgot the caramel, so it tasted like I was drinking a large cup of milk.
We have reached Target, everybody. We're here. The homeland.
I was here.
Alrighty, we're at Target. Is everyone excited? But we got sidetracked and now we're looking at clothes. So what do we find?
I'm a Libra. Oh wait.
Oh, wait, that's cool.
It tells you what you are.
All right, so we reached the school supply section. Oh my gosh.
I thought Lauren's gonna care. Look.
I saw I just keep talking. One of you guys is like, wait guys. So what are you guys looking for today?
A call planner to get my life together.
A planner and a bullet journal.
Well, we have Debbie the teacher. Do you need to get teaching stuff ready? Are you student teaching?
Honestly, next semester. Not this one, but next one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's look a clip folio.
I want a cute thing.
Oh, it looks like a little
and it's a clipboard. Alrighty, what's over here? What do we?
Oh, I think these are. I already have all my school supplies, but like
These are cute.
that's so cute.
I was telling them that I like the 5
5-star.
5 subject. Because you can put everything in one.
Yeah. This is like
It's kind of small, but
there's nothing.
yeah, I mean, but they are cute though.
Yeah.
And they have matching folders.
Yeah.
So we have all the highlighters and pens, and these are my favorite ones that I mention in literally every video. The G2s, they're kind of expensive, but I really like them. And then these are so tempting to get, just like a whole pack of Sharpies.
This is like my crack.
What, the Sharpies?
No, the highlighter.
Oh.
You gotta highlight in all different colors.
True. Good for notes. Okay, so I'm getting, Debbie literally just stole a cart from the Target thing. But I'm getting the pens. And then, oh, who got these binder clips? Oh, they're cute, the hologram ones.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, was that it?
No, it's on video, so I'll go screenshot them. Did you just steal a Target employee walkie?
Boutique coming in.
Oh my god. You have to give it back to the employees.
No.
I really like these. These ones are holographic. This one's green and this one's purple. Look how cute. But they're one subject and I don't really want one subject. Did you find anything else?
Not yet.
Cute. Debbie, you have to give the walkie-talkie back to the employees. Purple?
Yeah.
Blue. Purple? Okay, we got 1 vote for purple.
I like purple.
Pie, what do you think?
Pocket.
Yellow? Oh, that's not an option.
Blue. I like blue.
Blue.
I didn't know that was
Michelle, purple or blue?
Blue.
Blue. All right, blue it is.
I did.
Okay, what do you got, planner?
Yes.
Oh my God,
Tie-dye.
cute.
And then everything's boxed off.
Perfect.
Weekly to do.
Wow,
Key.
amazing. We always stop at the horoscope section. Libra.
Charming, but also impatient.
What's yours?
Inquisitive and restless.
Ooh,
but
what's-
I had to ask Pi what inquisitive means.
What about yours?
Loyal and bossy.
Oh my God, bossy. Mine's observant and worrier. That's very accurate.
Yeah.
Love it. Alrighty, so we're back in the school supplies area, and what are you looking at now?
I'm looking at a planner.
And I really want, which ones do you like?
This planner, because so it has like today's schedule, you know, so you can like plan it out a little bit, and then it has your to-dos with check marks, but I don't like
Wait,
Yeah, from like.
Pie, this one's so pretty,
that one's so
but it's really
cute.
heavy.
Oh good lord. Oh, it's daily.
Yeah, it's a daily one.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, that's covered. You hear that, Victor? I'm getting a new sheet here. Can we stop saying
Wow.
shit?
Catch. 1, 2, 3. Got it. So we've been at Target for probably over an hour, but we've been getting very sidetracked with clothes instead of actual school supplies.
Like a lot of really cute school stuff here.
Wow, Debbie is the new
Look at this.
vlogger.
That's me. I'm gonna take your subscribers for a journey.
Okay.
Let's go, guys. All right. So this is the extra section of stuff that's so expensive, but also really cute.
A little much for school supplies though, in my
Yeah.
opinion, but see, I'm going for something a little cheaper. Like this folder was like $1.
And still super cute.
Yeah.
I'm actually really torn. Like, I don't know what planner to get. Like, this one's really cute, but also, like, I really like this one here.
I like the marble personally.
All right, guess I'm getting the marble. It's in
My planner ends in
December.
December, so I'm waiting till December to get a yearly one.
Ooh, a smart sharper.
Yep.
Thumbnail. That's the one.
Cute. Okay, so we're done with Target. We got sort of got school supplies, sort of didn't. So I actually got school supplies. So I got a folder. I think this was like $1. And I got a 5 subject notebook, which is cute. It's like a bluey gray color. And lastly, I got some pens, which were my favorite ones, the Pilot G10. So now your turn, Debbie.
I didn't get school supplies.
Okay.
I, in fact, only got one thing. Rip off Birkenstock.
Okay, so I got a planner.
Cute.
Yeah, it was like $6.
Cute.
Everybody needs a good planner.
It's really hot in here.
I know. And then I got binder clips, but they're like,
Ooh,
what is that? Holographic.
And then did you get any school supplies?
I did not.
Oh my god.
I got a really cute umbrella. And I also, well, this is like kind of school supplies because like coffee,
Yeah.
but it's my horoscope on a mug.
We're going to TJ Maxx just to look for more planners and stuff. Or Marshalls. Yeah. So we'll see you guys at Marshalls. Hello everybody, we are in Marshalls. And we're looking for planners again because Kai has not found a planner yet.
This one, it says
Let's see.
feminist with a to-do list.
Ooh, cute.
And so like at the beginning it has like an overview to-do list, and then it has like the month.
This one.
Yes.
Actually, yeah. I feel like it's very relevant to my life next year. So we're out of Marshalls right now, so I didn't get anything, but you guys got stuff, so.
So
Good job.
I bought a planner at Target, but I found a better planner. This one's bigger, hardcover, so.
I'm gonna have to return that.
Yeah.
I got $3 self-tanner. And then I also got a planner, and it says
Ooh.
feminist with a to-do list because me.
Thanks for watching our sort of, kind of school supplies video.
We bought like
Us getting sidetracked, but it's fun. So, see you. Maybe they'll be featured in another video. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe. If you guys like them. Alrighty. Everyone say bye.
See ya.
Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this school supply shopping video with me. It's currently the next day and I completely forgot to film an outro. So I was like, I need to film one right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed that kind of like school supply shopping video. If you guys have any other requests for back to school videos, definitely let me know down below, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye.